Hi everybody, I'm Natalie Quiltessence. I'm making quilts, one of them, and I'm also making bags, organizer bags for quilting, sewing, any other crafts. You probably heard of me or in my bags. One of them is small sewing bag, one of them is sewing clutch, small sewing clutch, which is on magnets with no zippers at all. One of them, very popular. It's about 5 years already around and it's still very popular. It's Quilters Organizer Bag. See, my favorite color. Look at that, I just noticed. It matches my color. Well, somebody loves roses. I do too. But somebody ordered that and I made it today. Isn't it pretty? Okay, let's see what is Quilters Organizer Bag. It has shoulder strap. You can detach it. Okay. You can leave it on one D-ring, or for more security, you can keep them on both. So, detachable strap. Separating zipper lets you to open it. Snaps on the sides that keep it like this shape, like box shape. And when you unsnap it, you can use ironing pad here for small projects with a little iron. You can unsnap it right here as well. And you can see the ironing pad here. This bag has in total 10 pockets. One large zippered pocket, another one large zippered pocket, two small zippered pockets, means one large is divided on two, here and here. Also, 4 mesh pockets for spools or small items right here. 2 larger mesh pockets right here, which is 10 pockets in total. You also have, look at this, you can put here your markers, pencils, seam rippers, etc. right here. So this bag is called Quilters Organizer Bag. If you like this bag, find this pattern in my quilters.com store, also on blueprint.com, and in my Etsy store, Quiltessence. You will find all the links in the description to this video and also in my first comment. I will also copy and paste it. So, in my stores you can also order this bag, but I do not have much of this fabric left. If you still want this one made in roses, hurry up. I have maybe for 3 or 4 bags left of this fabric. I'm not sure if I can find more of it. Isn't it pretty? Spring is coming. Alright, find me as Quiltessence Natalie. Thanks for listening and watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos and my bags. Thank you.